Epic Games and LEGO team up to build safe and immersive metaverse space for kids. The company's intent is to build a digital environment where kids can play and create content. Continue to watch if you want to learn more. Before we go into detail, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content. And if you want to continue getting this value for free, help us win the YouTube algorithm. You know what to do. If you're looking to grow your NFT, Defi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects. Fortnite developer Epic Games announced today that it's partnering with LEGO to build a metaverse aimed at kids. The companies say they are going to shape the future of the metaverse to make it safe and fun for children while building an immersive digital experience for kids to play in. Kids enjoy playing in physical and digital worlds and move seamlessly between the two, says Niels B. Christensen, Chief Executive Officer, the LEGO Group. We believe there is huge potential for them to develop lifelong skills such as creativity, collaboration, and communication in both. We have a responsibility to make digital play safe, inspiring and beneficial for all, and just as we've protected children's rights to safe physical play for generations, we are committed to doing the same for digital play. We look forward to working with Epic Games to shape this exciting and playful future. If you want to know more about NFTs, non-fungible tokens, DeFi, decentralized finance, crypto trading, and the metaverse, then the links below will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. According to the post, Epic Games and the LEGO Group have outlined 3 principles to ensure the digital spaces they develop will provide engaging play opportunities safely. These include protecting children's right to play by making safety and well-being a priority, safeguarding children's privacy by putting their best interests first, and empowering children and adults with tools giving them control over their digital experience. For 90 years, the LEGO Group has inspired generations of children through play and the endless creative possibilities of the LEGO brick, which remains the core of its business. The company is also a leader in defining safe digital play experiences for children, including the development of an industry-standard digital child safety policy with UNICEF and the 2016 launch of LEGO Life, the first live-moderated social app for children. Before we go, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content like this video you just watched. And if you got some sort of value from this video, please smash the like button, smash subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you always get alerted when we publish value-driven content like this before anyone else does. And together we win. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects, which will help you get from beginner to advance in no time.